Back up for round 2 of the Dusty Fir. Dusty stump. We're gonna run the 390 some more. Stop, got some fuel in it. We'll run it some more. Get her tuned up a little bit. Means how it's run so good. We're gonna cut that big butt piece too. Be 3 cuts probably in that, 3 or 4 cuts in that one. That'll be a good run for the 390 for sure. So we'll see you up there. Hope you're all having an awesome day and a great week. So handy. Okay, I want to explain something. The reason I rolled that log back into the road and then made the cuts partial way through is because of this dirt, this mud on here. See that? And then I rolled it back over, and then we'll finish the cut, come up from the bottom through the curve, right? And cut up from the bottom. But the thing I want to talk about is the dirt. Okay, so if I just come up here, sorry, trying to figure out how to explain this. If I just come up here and I cut down from the top and I try to match up to this cut, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm cutting right through all of this mud, right? And you want to clean some of it off, but if I do that, then every tooth I'm going to drag that right through that mud, right through that dirt, possible rocks, whatever. But if I go in the curve here and put my bar all the way through, I put my bar all the way through and then I cut up, right? My bar will come through here and I'll cut up. And when I get to this dirt, it's just gonna sling it that way. because that's the way the chips are going to go. It's going to sling it that way, and I'm not going to drag it all the way through the wood. I'm going to get rid of it as the bar comes up, as the chain comes up to it. It's going to start slinging rocks. It's not going to actually get into the tooth. It will hit the tooth, but it's just going to be slung away from the piece of wood. It's not going to get ground into the piece of wood. So watch as this happens. If I have explained it decently to where you can see what's going to happen. I know this is kind of odd, but I've wanted to show it for quite a while. So let's try it right now. You could see that, and I hope it makes sense how it just slung through that. It didn't dull my chain. Big chunks, Johnny. That is some thick bark. Great running saw. Great working axe. Sweet, sweet Peavey. I've got her loaded. Still got wood left over.
Yeah, there's a bunch. Probably at least a third of a load.
Crazy.
But it grew while we were gone.
Sure glad we got this tree though.
Yes, absolutely. It's an awesome tree. Yes.
Let's see if we can stuff 3 more on there.
Yeah, you can do it. You want me to go get some littler ones or anything?
No, I'll just split these down.
Okay. Should I throw those into a pile over there?
It don't matter.
Because they're going to find it no matter what, huh?
Yeah.
I think it fell on your dam.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you got any more torrential stuff coming down, or I mean, get it away, or.
Gosh, that's a dandy. It's a hammer, fellas. Folks, that's a hammer. It is a fir hammer. Nice toss, Mom.
Yeah, okay.
See that come flying out of the brush? Look out! Mom's ready to go home, I think.
Sasquatch did it. There's room for one way up there, just one row this, yeah, right there. You may better tie it down this time.
Ah,
Ah,
it's all good.
it's all good.
Awesome. Another load. Another load of Doug Fir. Yeah, this is round 2 from the dusty stump. I hope the explanation of slinging dirt out away from you instead of pulling it back into the wood earlier in this video, I hope it makes sense. If you have questions or comments or whatever, leave it in the comment section. Get back to me. Let's keep on rolling, everybody. Keep helping each other out. Have a great day. Have a great week. Love y'all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling. Of course, we got to get a picture of that. Look at that. That was sure handy. That is a very handy tool. Nice load. Almost another full tank through the old 390. Yeah, we're going to work on the muffler. You didn't think I was going to leave it all the way along, did you? All right. Be kind.